Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can access the Dino game even when you have internet connectivity. If you don't know, the Dino game is a fun game when you don't have any internet connectivity and you can play it on Google Chrome. So, to access it, first let's turn off our internet connection. Now, since we are offline, let's go to our Google Chrome and search for anything. Now, as you can see, that this is the game right here. When you see this page, all you need to do is simply press the spacebar and the game starts. Now, this trick works when you are offline. So it is very easy to access this game offline as compared to online. Now, if you want to access this game online, what you need to do is simply let's get online first. Now I am online, and now to access, if I want to access this game while being online, all I need to do is type on the search bar Chrome, then give a colon and give two forward slashes and write DINO, Dino. Then hit the enter button. Once you do, you can see the same game and without any additional information, and you can play it right while being connected to the internet. Just press the space button and you can play it just like regular. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.